Once upon a time, there were 5 princes. They were learning archery from the very wise teacher named Dronacharya. One day, Dronacharya wanted to test their focus and skills. He placed a wooden bird up high upon the tree. He told his students, aim carefully. He first called Yudhishthira. He asked, Prince Yudhishthira, what do you see? Prince Yudhishthira replied, I see the tree, leaves and the bird. Dronacharya was disappointed. Next, he called Prince Bhima. He asked Prince Bhima, what do you see? Bhima replied, I see the trees and the branches around. Dronacharya wasn't satisfied. He again called Arjuna. He asked, Prince Arjuna, what do you see? Arjuna replied confidently, I only see the bird's eye. Dronacharya smiled and said, shoot now. Arjuna's arrow perfectly hit the bird's eye. So children, what is the moral of the story? Moral of the story, if you are focused, you will succeed. So what is the moral of the story, children? Moral of the story, if you are focused, you will always succeed. So please do like, subscribe and share my channel for more educational videos. Thank you so much.